Tired of your same old Facebook profile picture and want to change it? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change your Facebook profile picture. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on your profile picture. This is your profile. Now tap on your profile picture. Here you can either tap on Choose Profile Picture or Import from Instagram. For the second option, make sure your Facebook and Instagram accounts are connected. To know how to connect both accounts, make sure to check out our video on that topic. For now, I'm choosing the first option, Choose Profile Picture. Now from the camera roll, choose the picture of your choice. Here you can select if you want to share the update to your newsfeed or not at the bottom. After you're satisfied, tap on Save at the top right. And this is how you change your Facebook profile picture. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.